Mosquitoes are more than annoying. They can transmit pathogens, causing diseases like West Nile virus and Eastern equine encephalitis. Thankfully, you can take several simple steps to control mosquitoes on your property. There are many categories of tactics available for mosquito control, including cultural, mechanical and physical, biological, and chemical control. Let's focus on mechanical and physical control, or steps you can take to make the environment inhospitable for mosquitoes. One way to do this is by eliminating areas where mosquitoes can lay eggs and develop. Mosquitoes go through 4 different life stages: eggs, larvae, pupae, and adults. Adult mosquitoes lay eggs on the surface of still water or in areas which will later flood. The first 3 mosquito life stages, which are eggs, larvae, and pupae, are all aquatic, meaning that they live in water. There are specific types of water where mosquitoes will lay their eggs. Mosquitoes prefer to lay eggs in or near stagnant water with a high level of organic matter, such as plants, dirt, decaying leaves, or fertilizer. Mosquitoes do not need a lot of water to lay eggs. They can lay eggs that hatch in less than 2 tablespoons of water, or approximately the size of a bottle cap. Of course, it is difficult to find all sources if some mosquitoes can lay eggs in areas that small. That is why it is important to note the main places to look and to be proactive in eliminating or minimizing suitable mosquito habitat. Let's go over some of the common places around your house where mosquitoes can lay eggs and how to prevent them from doing so. As a general rule, mosquitoes can lay eggs in any outdoor container which may accumulate water. This can include, but is not limited to, trash cans, buckets, wheelbarrows, empty flower pots, and flower pot saucers. You can keep these containers turned over or covered when not in use to prevent water accumulation, and you can dump any water that does accumulate. Beyond turning over and dumping items that accumulate water, cutting holes in the sides of plastic recycling, garbage, or other containers can help prevent water accumulation. Bird baths are another type of place where mosquitoes can lay eggs. Clean and change out the water in bird baths every week to discourage this. Mosquitoes can also lay eggs in ponds. Removing debris from the edges of ponds and keeping the water moving with aerators or waterfalls are both options to control mosquitoes. Similarly, mosquitoes can lay eggs in neglected swimming pools, so make sure to keep pools clean and chlorinated to prevent this from happening. Another area that is often overlooked is rain gutters. Gutters provide the perfect habitat for mosquito development. They are relatively protected, and they have both water and organic matter in the leaves present, which enable mosquito growth. Keeping gutters clear of leaves can help prevent mosquitoes from laying eggs. Pet bowls can also provide great mosquito habitat, so keep those inside or flipped over when not in use. Trash can also accumulate water when left outside. Removing trash from your yard can eliminate mosquito habitat and has the added benefit of removing litter from the environment. A specific type of litter that has been linked to mosquito breeding are tires. Abandoned tires can provide excellent mosquito habitat by holding stagnant water. Limiting tires and similar items on your property or covering them with a tarp to minimize water accumulation are ways to limit their use by mosquitoes. Finally, tarps themselves are also capable of holding water. Position any tarps or boat covers so water runs off instead of accumulating in small pools. Let's test your knowledge. Here's a photo of a garden with some areas that may accumulate water and become mosquito breeding habitat. How many can you spot? In this garden, mosquitoes could potentially lay eggs in the bird bath, gutter, flower pots and flower pot saucers, and the watering can. These are all containers which could hold stagnant water and provide mosquitoes with a good habitat for laying eggs. It is important to make sure that these and similar spots are maintained and water emptied to prevent this from happening. Finally, while all the steps we have talked about are important, mosquito control is a community effort. Some mosquito species can travel over a mile from where they hatch, making it necessary to eliminate mosquito habitats throughout the community. Removing places where mosquitoes can lay eggs is one technique available to help reduce mosquito populations on your property. It is a simple way to reduce the risk of mosquito bites and mosquito-borne disease transmission, keeping you, your family, and your pets safer.